If this is an employee situation and I'm going through this process with them, this is one of those things where I'm going to also be judging whether or not this employee is worth saving. I'm going to say something from a management and employment perspective that I don't think enough people say it out loud. Not everyone needs to be saved. More people probably ought to be fired than really are. We put a lot of effort and a lot of resources into maintaining people that aren't willing to maintain themselves. This process is an awesome opportunity for an employee who is interested in improving to take ownership. But if they go through this and they don't, I know as the boss, this is someone that is already chosen their path.